Working out at home opens up a world of flexibility and freedom. You won't need a gym membership or expensive machines. All you need is your body and a small space. Imagine transforming any corner of your house into your personal fitness sanctuary where you can channel your energy and challenge your body with minimal fuss. It's about taking charge of your health and wellness without the constraints of traditional gym settings. Begin your session with a dynamic 5-minute warm-up that gets your blood flowing and muscles ready. Picture yourself doing jumping jacks that lift your spirits, arm circles that engage your shoulders, and high knees that elevate your heart rate. With each movement, feel the energy build, setting the stage for the invigorating workout ahead. Following this warm-up, dive into a powerful strength and cardio circuit designed to target every major muscle group in your body. Picture this: as you perform squats, you engage your legs and glutes, feeling the burn with every rep. Transition to push-ups, where your chest and arms come alive, powering through the resistance. The mountain climbers challenge your core and cardio endurance, while lunges enhance your balance. Finally, embrace the tension of a plank and unleash your energy in a full-body burn with burpees. With consistency and dedication, this regimen can sculpt your body and invigorate your spirit, proving that you indeed have everything you need right at home.